Step 4, we're just going to be putting a lot of covers on. First we're going to put the rear stabilizer covers in place, and then we put the wheel covers in place. These are all held in place with the exact same screws, so there's no need to worry about which screws you're using. Now we're going to put on the two middle stabilizer covers. They're held in place with just one screw each. And then we're going to be putting on the connecting arm covers. There will be one machine screw that holds that cover to the connecting arm, and then on each side, and then one self-tapping screw that holds it in place at the front. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Then we're going to put on the swing arm covers. There are two covers on the left and two covers on the right. Make sure you're putting those on in the correct orientation, and make certain that these screws are tight as well. If they're loose, they can cause some noise.